Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, the probably messiest kitchen known to man. We're not going to show you that. We have some reason and some common sense, but what I am going to show you is my furnace cement and my fireplace mortar. I got this here at the Home Depot, and as you can see, I'm totally using the best technology to work with all of this. 110% best technology is what we use in this house. It's a popsicle stick. We bought like 10,000 on the Temu because Ernie has a theory. I'm gonna let him have his theory because it's a good fucking theory. But yeah, so this is the project we're jumping into. Stay tuned. So, and please continue looking at my messy fucking house. Isn't it great? God, it's so embarrassing. I have so much to catch up on. Another story. But I'm over here at the fireplace. Whoosh, it's behind me. This thing, amazing. You have no idea. It's amazing. Game changer. It's game changer. But as you can see, I'm over here at the fireplace, and the fireplace is ready to go. So I want to show you guys the part that we're going to fix. Tell you a little story on why we have to fix it. Can you guess? Do you have an idea of what might have happened? All right, let's talk about it. All right, so I'm making 2 different videos at once, so just ignore the fact that you can see some already done. TikTok came first, YouTube. What's that tell you? What's that tell you? I'm getting more love on the talk. But so we're over here just trying to fill this in. This is a type of mortar that will settle itself, so I don't have to do much, because like you can start to see, like, this used to be janky and now it's starting to smooth out. So this is a lot nicer than what we used last year, because that shit was just awful and we had to get our hands involved. Like, I was pressing my fingers into some shit. Now I should have done a test strip to make sure that it would adhere. They call it, I don't know, they'd say like do a 1/32 of an inch like layer on it, and I'm not doing that because I did everything else. It's whatever. Not everyone's gonna follow every instruction. Maybe this can be considered my first layer. Who the fuck knows? But we're doing all right, so I'm gonna keep recording and we'll tune back in. I am reaching around. I am giving my stove a reach around right now. This is what's happening. I'm getting a over there. It's gross. All right, we're doing all right. We're doing all right, Liz. Not too bad for a popsicle stick. As you can see, it is cured perfectly. I am quite pleased with how this came out. So, yeah, it worked. It worked, even with a popsicle stick.